Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a newsletter to your WordPress site using the latest process demonstrated in this 5-minute guide. In this session we will walk through all the necessary steps in order, providing clear instructions and practical guidance along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, take a moment to become familiar with the layout. You will notice that the login option is conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the screen. After you click on the login button, a new login interface will appear. In this interface you will see several sign-in options. For a smooth and secure login experience, select the option that says Continue with Google. This method will allow you to quickly log in using one of your Google accounts. When you click on Continue with Google, a pop-up will appear prompting you to choose the account you would like to use for this session. Simply select the appropriate account and you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you have successfully logged in, it is time to move on to working with pages on your site. Navigate to the Pages section by clicking on the Pages link located in the dashboard. This section is where you manage all the content pages of your website. You will soon notice that there is an option to add a new page. Click on Add Page and you will be presented with a simple interface that allows you to begin creating a page tailored to newsletters. Once you are in the page creation area, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. From here you can search for the newsletter template. The built-in templates are designed to simplify your work by providing a pre-formatted layout specifically for newsletters. Take your time to scroll through the options until you find the template that best fits the design and functionality requirements of your site. When you have found the newsletter template that appeals to you, select it to add it to your site. The template will automatically load into the editor, allowing you to further customize it if needed. After reviewing the template and ensuring that everything looks in order, proceed by publishing the page. Publishing the page is a crucial step because it makes your newly created newsletter page live on your website. Once the page is published, take a moment to return to your WordPress dashboard to maintain an organized workflow. Back in the dashboard, you will now locate the Quick Links section. Here you find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site, which will take you to your website's customizer. In this interface, you have the flexibility to adjust the overall design and navigation of your site. Now it is time to integrate the newsletter page into your website menu. Look for the option to add a new page to your site's header menu. By adding your newsletter page to the menu, you ensure that visitors can easily access the newsletter sign up from any page on your website. This concludes the process of adding a newsletter to your WordPress website. By carefully following these detailed steps, you have now successfully added a newsletter page to your site, connected it to your Google login, and integrated it into your website navigation. Enjoy the improvements this brings to your website's engagement and communication with your audience.